click on control dot. Yeah, click that, add import, save. Yeah, now you won't have error.
Okay, now
Yeah,
I'll show you the code.
perfect.
Equals isn't working now.
So okay, open control, do a control shift I, control shift I.
I did on like yeah.
Okay, there, go to console. Duplex 6. I think you did not write the evaluate stuff. Go to VS Code once. App component.ts. Let me check my code. Evaluate this.
Okay, I did not give here.
Yeah,
Okay, now.
click. Yeah,
Okay, now got it.
yeah. Okay. Guys, I'll just start a new this thing in 2 minutes. Until then, sorry, 5 minutes. Until then, you please refer the code whatever I've given, and please ask if you have any doubts. Fine, guys. I'm going to Start a new app. Entire screen. Entire screen. Share. Okay, I'm just going to do what to do. Drive the terminal. Quit this process. Dot. Uh, make directory. Uh, service demo. CD space service demo. Here and so we'll make a new directory called, let's open a new code here. Let's close this. Now here inside the service demo we'll have two things. Yes, I trust about this. We'll have two things. One, a directory called services, and inside the services directory I'll give services.py or service.py, since we are only writing one service. Inside this we are going to write a class service, but for now here what I will do is I'll open terminal.
Anna,
Yeah.
Anna, actually, if you it would be better if you tell us how to deploy the previous.
Okay, to deploy the previous stuff, right?
Yes, yes.
uh, so I need hmm. Okay, let me open that. Sorry, control shift and so where is this? Shift and where's my welcome stuff? File, open. Sorry, on this file, open recent. Yeah, service demo and the calci. Fine. To build, to build this application, what you have to do is let the terminal get initialized. My laptop is getting slow, though it's 16 GB RAM, it is getting slow. Okay, fine. Here we have command prompt open, right? But do ng build here. So what it will do is, again it will compile all this stuff into JavaScript and it will generate folders. After generating folders, you have to take that and deploy the application. I'll see whether I can deploy in one of my office environments. No, I'm not author, but see, I'll deploy this in some application. And I'll try to deploy this in GitHub AS. What do you say? I don't know whether we can deploy it or not, but yeah. Okay, I'll just share my screen. Oh, am I sharing? Am I sharing my screen? I'm sharing, right?
Yes or no?
Okay, what I will do is I'll just open my Chrome, get it here, and yeah, I follow the steps. Open GitHub. So deployment process main slash master local repo. Fine, we will do the same thing. Git and gh hyphen space. Fine. The build is done. After this, what I'll do is I've done for React, but I'm not sure for Angular pages. Then engine to gh hyphen pages. What happened? Fine. After this, into do get repo and get seams. Okay, reset control T GitHub. Hmm, what is my repo name? See here.
And I kept it in the chat box.
Thanks. Fine. In this branch, what will we do? Settings under toolbar under repo name under repo name under repo name settings settings followed by pages. Settings pages install Angular like pages. Okay, install run pages. I think I have to add here pages website. Okay, find root right. Okay. Naga data required, then install AngularJS with this command. Okay. Ng add Angular 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 CLI -ph. Let's copy this command prompt. Let's switch the master to this. Hmm, here I will go to this branch and here what I'll do is add phps. Then to deploy this copy again. Yeah, I think the app is deployed. Uh, let's say, let's check this. Take some time to reflect. Fine, just go to code. 4 commits. Auto generated. Yeah, commit. Committed just now. Yeah, there you have it. Got it? So all you have to do is go to this. Sorry, this. Inside this, you have this thing, right? You need to go to settings. You need to go to pages. Inside pages, you'll have your page here, and then you have to select deploy from a branch, followed by gh pages, followed by root. And after getting configured, what happens is you have to go to this thing. You have to build this. You have to install this package. This package name is Angular CLI GH pages. And after installation, you have to do this command ng deploy hyphen hyphen base is base to href is your site name, whatever is there here. You have to copy that and paste it, and you have to hit enter. It will target production. Once it is deployed, yeah, that's it. So we'll get started from for a new app. Okay, fine. Where is that? Yeah, service demo. So let's write a Flask service. Uh, Flask service. Okay, I'll do from Flask import Flask. After this, app is assigned to Flask of underscore name underscore followed by app dot route, and it would be slash post values comma uh, we'll do metho methods that would be inside our list capital get comma should be in string. After this, we need to write a definition, uh, send values when send values from front end. This will actually take an argument saying that uh, print, let's print hello for now. This would be a string again, and here just remove this thing. Yeah, save. Fine. So Now, now what we have to do is we'll write a file upload service. So that if you upload a file, we have to get the metadata of that file. Shall we do that? If you upload a file from frontend, we have to get the metadata of the file and we have to display that in Angular app.
Okay, Anna.
Yeah. So for this, what we have to do, uh, file upload, right? File upload. Fine. Okay. So apparently an API has a route followed by methods. A route is value where we are going to upload of this mainly called an endpoint. So on hitting this endpoint using get or post method, what we have to do is we have to upload a file. For that, what we will do now is, um, so in Python you have something called requests. So if requests dot method equals to post, so or rather we'll do like this, that equals to post on this, uh, f is assigned to request request dot files of uh, f dot save f dot file name. That's it, I guess. I think that's it. We have to import few stuff. That is first thing from file input, import file import file name. After that, import request, import flask, right? From flask import flask. Okay, let's run this first. Let's bother about that later. Here, my driver code would be there. If underscore Mr. name is equals to uh, underscore mm, main colon dot debug mode tru. Coming to this Python now, I'll just shift to services and I'll run this Python script. Fine. This is running at port 12. Oh, sorry, port 5000. Now, uh, let's come back. Let this run for some time. And now let's go to our command prompt again. Let's say ng new file upload. Let it create the file upload app. No. Uh, CSS. So in meanwhile, what we'll do is we'll just test uh, our file.
Anna, could I just share my screen? It's showing me an error when I'm running the program.
Yeah, sure. Stop sharing. So you have to do pip install Flask. Not there inside the command prompt. No, Control Z. Yeah, go to command prompt. Uh, you have to do no there itself. There itself inside the terminal. Control C. Pip install Flask. Yeah, now you can run this. Perfect, it's running. Okay, our Angular app is also ready. We have to just write file upload as there. Share screen. Fine. Able to see my share?
We can see.
Yes, Anna.
Now I'll just do ng. So for now, what I'll do is I'll just close this services.py. Go to src app app component.html. Three space file upload app ng. So localhost. That's it. Yeah, Angular session is already. Yeah, not this here. So this photo to
Anna, could you just repeat what we need to do after running the Python program?
nothing else. Just create a new app.
Okay.
Come down. Okay. So see, what I've done is I've opened a new terminal. I have done ng space new space file upload app,
Okay.
like how we did it to create a new app.
Yeah, fine.
Then after that, after installation, what I've done is I've done ng serve just to run that app. That's it.
Okay, fine. Yeah, got it.
Mm, just remove this. Yeah, great. Now, what I'm going to do is fine. Okay, are you guys with me? Now, let's write a div with class name uh, file uploader. So this class file uploader will actually have an input type would be file here. Before you used to have text, but now we are going to take input type as file, and then we are going to give a class for this, and that would be file hyphen input. File hyphen input. Sure. File hyphen input. Now after this, once on F2 we are doing something called on change. So if my DOM notices any change on this particular stuff, what it will do is it will call a function saying uh, on file selected. So on file selected, which will actually take an event. Fine. Till now it's great. Okay. Now what we will do is we will have a button or one more div called file file save file. Just save a file. Now I'm going to have a button which will do what? Which will do okay. Uh, Load, and we'll have a directive for this saying hash. I can directly mention class name like this or class directive like this. So I'll upload now on click now. Let's click. What I should do is file uh, what I'm doing. So I'm actually doing a click event on this. So that is it. Your file uploader is ready. But the thing is, you have to go to app component dot ts and you have to write few functions. Fine. Here we are going to take a file name because we want to display it, and we'll take it as an empty string. Followed by we'll write constructor for this of private. So how many of you guys know what is constructor? What is a constructor? This
It is like what we say, a method.
constructor, yeah, it is pretty much like a method in Python, but in Java it is somewhat different. So I need to import HTTP client module. It's actually it makes a copy of your class constructor, and it helps in instantiating the objects as well. Client. Why? What happened? Okay, wait. So I need to import. Um, what do you call it? Right. Angular common slash HTTP. Now it is to be there. Still, we have one issue here. HTTP client. That is, we have to import the client, I guess. Yeah, HTTP client. Fine. What happened? Fine. Let's look at our UI now. How it is looking. It will look really basic. Let's reload. Fail to compile. Why is it? Check one change. File equals to input. So file instead of this why because of this. File upload. Okay, we did not write the function till now, right? Sure. And save. Okay. Now since we have the HTTP client, we'll write the functions file upload. So this file upload I'll save. I'll check once. Now You have to write the function called on file selected. You take an event. This event will be type of. Now see. So here we have something called browse, and here we have something called uh, selected. So apparently, if I click this, and if I click this, and if I click open, it will give me. But this particular thing has to be sent to the backend. Okay, now file upload dot click. Okay, fine. Okay, great. Now I'll go to app component.ts. Inside this file upload, let's write uh, const file colon type file. So if my variable file is of type file, then I would give it as, it should not be here, it should be here. Instead of event, e dot target dot file of 0. And then if there is any file, what I have to do is I have to do this dot file name equals to file dot name, and then after file dot name, I have to write const form data equals to new form data is constructor of object of form data, form data dot append, and what I will do is uh, files comma files is a name, comma I'm going to append the file. Fine. Next, const code URL would be this dot dot post to say. So if you remember, we have we have our Python file running, right? So this is called API endpoint, and I told that we have to use this to upload file. Let's copy this, and I'll paste it here. Followed by I have to give form data, and then later dot subscribe to something called, here we have to get a response uh, a response. Fine. Okay, so far so good. I'll just take it here, just give it, just open. So why upload also is getting triggered. For why, here we have to specify the root. uh, services service.py upload file. So it this. So did we get any API request? No, we did not get. At least is it running? Response. Okay, fine. Files. We are getting an error here. Debugger, debugger, network type. Okay, fine. Now what you have to do is click here, here, here. Yeah. What is this? Share document. Binding transport. Let's check what is the request which is going. XHR. Get request. HTML, JS. What is this? JS. What's going on now? On file selected. Let's save this mode. Yes. Routes. See, the alert itself is not coming on file selected. So here on file selected event is copy. Let's remove because it's useless. अरे error రావట్లేదు ఏం రావట్లేదు ఛీ. Let's open this in Chrome. Let's choose file. Console. Okay. So also it's not going anything. So that's why. So this is not actually getting called. Hmm. First is this. It's not on change. It's just change. Now it will work. Yeah, see? Okay, fine. Now we have something console unknown HTTP upload file. So let's check what's happening. Did we get a request? Yeah, we have got a request for saying upload file. We'll go to the service now. Where is the service? Upload file. Upload file 404. Upload file 404. Choose file. Click this. Open. Okay. Error. Connection aborted. Why? Fine. Upload file. Okay, upload file 404. One file selected. Don't subscribe. Now, what did we give? Files, right? Files. You're inside this. Start file. Has file has files. To HTTP header files. So HTTP headers upload file HTTP error response and error. Fine. 404. Start upload file. Not say 404, right? We have that root there. Open. Okay. Upload file. Such are failed loading this thing. Status 0. Fine. Request dot method equals to post. F is request of files. F dot name. F dot file name. And this app dot upload. So from Flask I have to import Flask and request. Might be because of that. Choose file. Upload HTTP response. And class HTTP response. What is it? Elements for poly. Fine. Okay, false. So is it? Oh shit. Now we'll get one more error, which is cross origin. At least now, see, we are getting something here. Post upload files is 500, and start response and stuff. So we need to search this. We call and data. This URL, but was issued automatically by routing system file upload. Now I think, yeah, I'll just do choose file here. Okay, okay. Access to is about cross origin. I have told you, right? So now we have to add cross origin stuff. Cross origin for some flask. So for this copy, also copy pasting, guys, a few of the code, because it's not easy to type everything. And then here after this, this and now, but let's add one decorator, and that decorator should be there inside this one. For that, come across underscore origin. Hope this works. Yeah, open. Getting event. Okay, fine. What is that? Ins- expected expected files uploaded is okay. Fine. Files uploaded is what it's saying. If you see, ignore the error. If you see here, I'm getting Angular tutorials.pdf which I've uploaded. For your this thing, I'll upload one more document using your file uploader. Choose file. What I'm doing is I'll upload this download 8 or download 6. I'll open. Just click open. If you see, download 6 is there. Even this PDF is there. So that is how you upload files using Angular. Okay, guys, I think that's it for the day. If you have any questions, please ping. And also, I'll upload this to GitHub. So, if the session was in the college, right, it would have been different. Like, I would have interacted with. So, it's only one way speaking, right? There, I would have made you speak instead of me speaking, and it would have been much more interesting.
No, Anna, the session was still amazing. A lot of, my juniors are having fun actually.
Nice. Glad to know that.
Yeah. If any of y'all have any questions, please feel free to ask Anna. No one has any questions? Okay, I guess then we can go ahead with the feedback form. Um, so I'm going to put in a link of a form. Wait, never mind. Actually, if you guys are done with like writing the code, I'll just like display the QR and then you guys can,
Yeah,
you know.
anyways, I'll upload this to GitHub, so
Okay, awesome.
you guys can take it from there.
So please find the code in GitHub, guys, and um, did you guys have fun in this session? Like, did you guys actually, find this insightful?
Yes, Akka. Anna made us learn so many new topics. This was interesting.
That's
See
nice to hear, Yashwant.
here.
What about the rest, like other people?
I think
Okay, Bharat says it was awesome. Glad to hear that, Bharat.
glad to hear that.
Sai Krishna says, thank you, Anna. It was so informative and also an awesome one.
Thanks, Vishnu. Thank you very much for the compliment. Space pilot code. That's that. I'll just push the code.
Okay. Meanwhile, while Anna is pushing the code, I just want you guys to know that uh, only those who like fill the feedback form will be receiving a participation certificate, and you will have to upload the links to your like project from your like GitHub, like repos and stuff. So once you're done with that, we'll be checking and we'll be giving certificates only to those who finish pretty much the milestones, which are the two projects that we did.
Okay, and that file. Go to file.
Also, if you guys are more like interested in Angular, like still interested, and you guys want to continue learning and continue like um, building projects and stuff using Angular, we can keep the WhatsApp group as an active line, and you guys can also like post in screenshots or anything like that if you guys have any doubts. And Vishnu Anna help you out.
See, guys, just because I tell you one thing. Generally, I what happened today is I was running a bit because I was getting like cautious about. I didn't even check on you guys whether you're doing the code or not. So that happened. So from next time, what I'll do is if I conduct any session, I'll make sure that I conduct in college itself, not online, because that would be actually better. Because I'll actually generally interact with you But today, because of this, I was not able to interact with you perfectly. That is what I believe. Uh, I just paste. Yeah, pretty much that's it. And this would be the URL for. Thanks, Vijayan, thanks for the compliment. Yeah. So this is the URL. Okay, Ananya, over to you.
Awesome. Well, first off, thank you, Anna, a lot for this whole
Thanks for
session.
inviting. Ananya.
Glad to have you. Um, 1 second.
The link is not being found.
Yeah, just give me a second.
Pasted it 2 minutes, 2 times by mistake.
Oh, oops.
It's coming from me.
Yeah, it's coming right.
One sec, guys. Never mind. I'll just send the link because the QR code is taking a bit of time. So please, like, fill up this form along with the you know um, project that you guys build. Like paste the link over here, and only then we'll be giving you guys participation certificates. So you'll be receiving your participation certificates, and I think you can expect it by next week. But yeah, the form is now just 1 second. Yep, now it is. Okay, well, thank you, Vishnu Anand, for this amazing session. And honestly, no regrets that it was online itself, because it was still insightful. You still, like, made us all like really intrigued in Angular. And I think a lot we can expect a lot of people from our college now who will be exploring Angular actively. Please, guys, note that if you guys are like really interested in it, you guys can still like build a project and keep your WhatsApp group. I mean, the WhatsApp group that we created an active channel. But thank you all for joining this session, and thank you, Vishnu, for taking the session.
Yeah.
Um,
See,
wish you guys.
whatever I have discussed today is really basic stuff. So, if I get some time, right, I'll just paste a few links which I have developed, or which a few applications which I have developed and stuff, so that it would be easy for you to explore. I also push the code for you to understand. So, yeah, thanks, guys. Thanks for having me, and thanks for giving me an opportunity.
Yeah, we're more than happy, Anna. And I'm so glad that you guys stick till the end for this whole session. If you guys have any questions, you can, um, ask Anna like on the WhatsApp group, or you can just post them in the feedback form. Anna will be checking it either way. So, yeah, thank you all.
Or you guys can actually message me on my WhatsApp. I don't mind answering.
Yeah, thank you all for joining. Have a great evening. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Anna. Thank you.
Bye, bye.
Bye bye.
Bana, thank you.
Bye.